Hello guys, it's me again and I have something to show you. Oh, first I'll show you my nails. Yes, I've been doing videos with my nails in really bad shape. So I've painted them because my sister came around and told me off. And also she bought me this. This is a present she bought me today. And I love it. And the pot it's in is so nice. It's like a stone. And it's got little wooden feet. And inside, it's got moss in there. And there's a nice little cactus. And on this side, we've got, which I did post the other day, I got a brown, it was like a brownie red bunny ears cactus. But this one's a yellow one, and you can see the little head here, and then the ears. And I don't know, it's got these long bits, like this one's got a long bit coming out of it. So that's interesting. And over here, I have a nice pretty bow, and I've got my ladybirds on these lovely rock sort of, you know, I don't know what these are. It's like wood, actually. Yeah, it's wood. And then, last but not least, my favourite, prayer plant. I love, love, love prayer plants. And this is one of my favourite because I just find that they're so lovely. They actually close up at night when it's dark. It's like they go to sleep. They fold up and go sleep. And when the light comes out in the morning, they wake up. And it's really nice and healthy, this one. It's got long stems. And yeah, what I know about the prayer plant is they don't like tap water. So you have to use bottled water, or maybe if you do have to use tap water, you obviously put it in a bowl or in a bottle or somewhere where it can get air and leave it there for 24 hours. And then you can use that to water it. They do not like water straight from the tap. So I will be careful when I'm watering that. And yeah, obviously cactus, you know, they don't like water. And yeah, they're simple. Don't like water. They like sun, this and that. Whereas the prayer plant actually likes indirect light. But anyway, this is staying in my house. You know, I don't care. It's staying in my kitchen. But I love it, love it, love it so much. I just think it's so pretty. And I was just so happy when she come around with that, because obviously I'm obsessed with plants. So I'll take anything, anything. But yeah, I just wanted to do a quick video on that. And wanted to share, you know, my joy with everyone. And yeah, take care. And I will be posting again soon. Bye.